How can you swap face on Photoleap? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to swap face on Photoleap, you just simply have to open your Photoleap application. And after opening the Photoleap application, you will just simply have to scroll down until you see this option of face swap into AI tool. Just simply tap to face swap, and after tapping in there, just simply select your picture where you would like to swap the face. And I have selected this picture now. Now you just simply have to tap to add face. Now I'm selecting the other picture with the face which I would like to swap to this older face. And after selecting the picture, the face will be swapped like this. And you can save this picture into your device. And this way you can easily swap the faces into your picture by using Photoleap. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.